Good evening, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and the subject today we are studying is Pure Maths 1, Cambridge International AS A Levels Mathematics 9709. Today we are working on the solution of the course book of the Pure Maths 1, and from that course book we are working on the exercise 9B. This is our first episode on the exercise 9B. The topic of the exercise is finding the constant of the integration, and the topic of the chapter is integration. This is paper 1 of the AS mathematics. So let's start today's exercise. So let me show you the questions. Here we have the question number 1 coming up on your screen. So I'm going to attempt first of all the question number 1. What you can do is you can take the picture of this question, and so for the reference, because I'm going to work on this question. So let's start the question number 1, and here we have. He says, find the equation of the curve given that dy by dx and a point P on the curve. Okay, so you have here, this is the question number 1, and it's A part. Here we have the dy by the dx equals to, this is a 3x squared plus 1, and then the P point is 1 comma 4. Okay, so what I will do, I will integrate this, and we will try to find out the value of the C by putting this value. First of all, integrate this. So I will take integration on both the sides. So dy by the dx into the dx is equals to the integration on this side, 3x squared plus 1 and the dx. Okay, so this becomes y equals to, this is 3, the power will be increased by 1, you divide with the same power here, and one derivative is x, and then c. So y is equals to 3x raised to power 3. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled, so you will have x plus c. Now the value of the y is 4, because this point is on that curve, and the value of the x is 1. So you will have put these values in this equation. So you will have 4 equals to 1 its cube plus 1 plus c. So this is something 4 equals to 2 plus c. So c equals to 2. So the equation will become y is equals to x cube plus x. Put the value of the c there. Okay, so that is plus 2. So this is that equation. So let me check from the book. So it is x cube plus x plus 2. So I think the answer is right, sir. So this is how you do you find the value of the C, the constant of the integration, and then you are able to tell what is the equation of the curve. Okay, now we have the question number 1, and it's B part. Okay, the question number 1, it's B part. We will have here question number 1, and it's B part. Here they have given you an equation which is 2x dy. We have to find the equation. Dy by dx is equals to, he said 2x into 3x minus 1, and the point P is given. The point P is minus 1 comma 2. Okay, so first of all I am going to integrate this. Dy by dx is equals to 2x bracket start 3x minus 1 and bracket close, and the point P is minus 1 comma 2. Okay, so what I will do, I will put this, I will integrate this. Okay, so we will integrate this. Integration of the dy by the dx into the dx is equal to the integration of the, this becomes 6x square, okay, minus 2x into the dx. I have simplified this. Okay, I multiplied that 2x with that bracket, so you will have 6x square minus 2x. So I'm going to integrate that, and this becomes y, and this is equals to, this becomes 6x raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by the 3. Then you have minus, okay, then you will have 2x 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus c. Okay, whenever you integrate, you increase the power by 1, and whatever that power becomes, you divide it with the same number. Okay, you divide that expression, that term, with the same number. So you will have y is equals to 2x raised to power 3 minus 2 cancel x square plus c. Now in the place of the x I will put minus 1, and in the place of the y I will put 2. So you will have 2 equals to 2 into the minus 1 raised to power 3 minus minus 1 square plus c. So you will have 2 into 2 and minus 1 plus c. So it will be 2 minus 1 equals to c, and plus 1 minus 1. So you will have c equals to 1. So my equation will become y is equals to 2x cube minus x square and plus 1. So this will be my equation. Let me check, sir. And he said 5. Why did he said 5? Okay. So let's check again. And this is the value of the y is 2. But he said question number 9, exercise 9b, the answer is 2x cube, okay, minus x here, but they say plus 5. So let me check again. So this is going to be 2x into that 6x square minus 2x. So when you integrate it, this becomes 2, and this is x 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by 3. So 3 and 2x cube minus, and this remains x square, then plus c. And the p value, let me check. I think that point is correct or not. The b point is minus 1 comma 2. Okay, minus 1 comma 2 I will put here, minus 1 comma 2, and let's see, in the place of x I will put minus 1. Oh sorry, this becomes minus. Oh yeah, this is minus. So this becomes minus 3 when it will go, this is minus 1 into minus 2 minus plus, this is minus 1 plus c. So this is minus 3. So when it will go on the other side, it will become plus 3. So this will become plus 5. So this is 5. So you see, this is 5. So I made a little mistake. What was the mistake? When I took minus 1's cube, I did not wrote here a negative, okay? So this becomes minus 2. Now the question is good, sir. This is 2x cube minus x square plus 5, okay? So the answer is good now, okay? So this is how you do the question number 1, and it's B part, okay? So now we will work on the question number 1 and its C part. Question number 1 and its C part. Here we have dy by the dx is equals to 4 divided by the dy by the dx is equals to 4 divided by the x square, okay? And the point P is 4 comma 9. Okay, dy by dx is equals to 4 divided by x square. Point P is 4 comma 9. Okay, so first of all I will integrate. I will bring this x square upstairs first of all. Let's say, so I make it more simpler form. Okay, so this is dy by the dx is equals to 4 into x raised power minus 2. Okay, now I will take integration on both the sides. Dy by the dx into the dx is equals to the integration into the 4 into the x d of x. Okay, so this will become y equals to this 4. Okay, the power will be increased by 1, and that's minus 1. Okay, so it will divide with the minus 1, so plus c. So y will be equals to, it will become minus 4 x raised power minus 1 plus c. Now I have this point 4 comma 9. So in the place of the x I will put 4, and in the place of the y I will put 9. So y will be equals to minus 4 into uh, 4 raised to power minus 1, and the y is 9, okay, plus c. Okay, so this and this is cancelled, so 9 is equals to minus 1 plus c. So y will be equals to 9 plus 1, that is 10. So my equation will become y is equals to, this is minus 4 divided by the x and plus c, that's plus 10. So I think this is the answer. Let me see. and mm, he says y is equals to 10 minus 4 divided by the x. Okay, the answer is right, sir. The answer is right. This is the same answer, sir. So this is how you do the question number 1, and it's the C part. Okay, now let's start the next one. The next question is the question number 1, and it's the D part. Question number 1, and it's the D part. The question number 1 and its D part is our question. He says the dy by the dx. Here you have dy by the dx is equals to, he said 2x cube minus 6, 2x cube minus 6 divided by the x square. Okay, and the point P is 3 comma 7. Okay, 3 comma 7. Okay, now first of all I will simplify this. Okay, and then we will see what we can do. I will write this denominator under both the terms. Okay, so my dy by the dx will be equals to 2x cube divided by the x square minus 6 divided by the x square. So my dy by the dx will become this will become 2x minus 6x raised to power minus 2. So I will take integration on both the sides. I will integrate both the sides. Okay, dx is equals to integration of the 2x minus 6x raised to power minus 2 d of x. Okay, so this will become y. This will become 2x raised to power 1 plus 1 divided by the 2 minus 6x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 divided by the minus 1 plus c. So my y will become 2 cancel. So you will have x square minus minus plus. This will become 6 divided by the x plus. See, because this power will be minus 1, that's why I have written it downstairs. Now I know that the x is equals to 3 and the y is equals to how much? 7. So just put that value here. 7 is equals to 3 square plus 6 divided by the 3 plus c. So 7 will be equals to the 9 plus 2 plus c. This is 11. So c will be equals to 7 minus 11. So my c value will be minus 2. So the equation will become y is equals to, the equation will be y is equals to x square plus 6 divided by the x, and the c value is minus 2. So I think this is the answer, sir. Let's check. It says x square plus 6 divided by the x minus, he said minus 4. Oh yeah, sorry. I think something is wrong. Minus 4, sorry. This is minus 4, okay? It's possible that we might make mistakes in calculation. So I think this is how you do this. 7 minus 11 is minus 4. I by mistake wrote minus 2. So my answer is y is equals to x square plus 6 divided by x minus 4. So this is how you do question number 1, and it's a D part. So we are working on the exercise 9b from, and this is the first episode on this exercise. So we are working on the course book of the Pure Maths 1. The topic of the exercise is finding the constant of integration. The topic of the chapter is integration, and this is related with the paper 1 of the Cambridge International AS and A Levels Mathematics 9709. My name is Ferhan Mazher. Okay, so we are starting the question number 1 and its E part. Question number 1 and its E part. It says that dy by the dx is equals to 2 divided by the under root x, and then you have minus 1, and the point P is 4 comma 6. Okay, so this is the point we have to find the equation of the curve. Okay, so if you want to find the equation of the curve, what we will do, we will derivate this. Okay, so let's derivate this. But first of all, you have to simplify this. Okay, the dy by the dx will be equals to 2 into the x raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So you see, I brought that, I bring that x upstairs. So its power will become square root, so its power is 1 by 2. When it comes upstairs, its power will become minus 1 by 2. So we will have, now I can integrate. So I will integrate both the sides, dy by the dx into the dx is equals to integrate this side to x raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 d of x. So I'm going to integrate both the sides. So my left side will become y, okay? So this becomes y, and this becomes 2, and x raised to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So you are left with 1 by 2. So this is minus 1, and this becomes minus 1 by 1 plus c. Okay, this is, I have integrated it. Okay, now I will make it little simpler. So this becomes, when this will come upstairs, it will multiply with the 2. So this will become 4. This will become x raised to power 1 by 2 minus x plus c. So we have that value. The x value is, the value of the x is 4, and the value of the y is 6. So put those values here. So it will be 6 into the 4 into the 4 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 4 plus c. So this is 6 equals to, this is 2, 2, 2, 4 are 8 minus 4 plus c. My c will be 6. This becomes minus 4, and the c value will be 2. So my equation will become y is equals to, this is 4 under root x, then you have minus x, then plus c plus t is plus 2. So this will be my equation. I think, let's check if the answer is right. The answer is 4 under root x minus x plus 2. So our answer is right, sir. This is how you will do the question number 1 and its E part. Okay, so let's go to the next part, sir. The next part is question number 1 and its F part. Question number 1 and its F part. So let me do that. This is the question number 1 and its F part. It says that the dy by the dx is equals to, it is 1 minus and under root x, and then you have whole square divided by the under root x, okay, and the p point is 9 comma 5, okay. Dy by dx is 1 minus under root x whole square divided by the under root x, okay. So first of all, I will simplify this expression a little bit. Here you have whole square, okay, so dy by the dx will be equals to, when you take the whole square, it is 1 and its square minus 2 into the 1 into the under root x plus under root x and its square divided by the under root x. So you will have dy by the dx equals to 1 minus 2 under root x plus this will become x divided by the under root x. Now I will give this under everybody, okay, every term. So you will have 1 divided by the under root x minus 2 under root x by the under root x and plus x divided by the under root x, okay. So dy by the dx, that will become x raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 2 under root x cancelled. 1 power minus 1 by 2 power, so you are left with the 1 by 2 power. So now I can integrate, okay, so dy by the dx into the dx is equals to the integration x raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 2 plus x raised to power positive 1 by 2 into the d of x, okay. So this will become y, and this will become, here you will increase the power by 1, okay, then you will have minus 2x plus this power will be increased by 1, and with the same number you divide, here 1 by 2 is left, okay, and here this becomes 3 by 2. So your y will become 2, and this becomes x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 2x, and this becomes plus c, and this becomes 2x raised to power 3 by 2 divided by 3 and plus c. Now I have to find out the value of the c. I know this point. Okay, in the place of x I will put 9, and in the place of y I will put 5. So here you will have 5 equals to 2 into the 9 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 2 into 9, and then you will have plus and 2 into the 9 raised to power 3 by 2 divided by the 3 plus c. Okay, this is 5. Okay, okay, 5. This is 3, 3 twos are 6 minus 18, and this is plus 2 into 9 under root will be 2, 3, 3 raised to power 3 will be 27. So this will be 27 divided by the 3, and then you have plus c. Okay, now we can bring this here. So I can bring it here. Let me show you. Okay. So this will become 5. Okay, this is 5 equals to, this is 6 minus 18. Okay, 6 minus 18, and then you have 9, 9 twos are 18, so this is plus 18, and then you have plus c. Okay, this cancels, so 5 minus 6 is equals to c minus 1 c. So my equation will become, the equation is y is equals to 2, then you have under root x, means under root x. Okay, and then you have minus 2x, and then you have plus 2x under root x divided by 3, and then you have plus 2, which is minus 1. So let me check. What is the answer, sir? They have written, okay, they have written 2 under root x minus 2x, okay, plus 2 by 3, x raised by 3 by 2 minus 1. The answer is right. They have written this in this form, okay. They have written it not like this, okay. They have written like this, and then you have this, and then they have written it like 3 by 2, okay. This is 3 by 2 power, okay. 3 minus 1. So they have written the answer like this. So my dear students, this is how you will do the question number 1 and its F part. And I hope that you have understood this. You see, we are doing exercise 9b. This is our first episode on this exercise. This is the course book of the solution of the course book of the Pure Maths 1. The topic of the chapter is integration, and the topic of this exercise is finding the constant of the integration. In this episode, we have worked on the question number 1 of this exercise. There were A, B, C, D, E, and F parts. If you find this video interesting and useful, and you think that this video is helpful to you and it can be helpful to other students, please share the link of this video with them. Like this video, share the link of this video on your WhatsApp groups, on your Facebook, on your Instagram. You see, when you do this, this is a support to my work. It's an appreciation for my work. Your support and your appreciation is very valuable for me. Thank you very much, and have a good night, sir. God bless you all.